Generally, though, when we look to this one who is coming among us, we tend to get it wrong, or at least partially wrong. Even think today about this one that we mark as a herald within our Christian church, John the Baptizer. He is out there at the edge of the water, Jordan, baptizing those who would come, calling them to repentance, and saying that there is one even greater than he that is coming among us. It is a sense of myself, and I think many scholars, that he was looking for someone who was going to challenge the new empire and the new rulers in their day, the Roman Empire. That he was going to, that this leader that John was speaking about was going to turn their world upside down, coming in a kingly fashion, calling people into a new way of being there in Israel or Palestine. What happens when his image becomes one that is frustrated, or one in which it is disillusioned, or the people don't see it taking shape? You see, this one that John the Baptizer proclaims as greater than him begins working for peace. He goes about community organizing. He teaches people in parables and stories. He invites them into a new way of being. This militaristic leader, this one who is just going to rain down peace or a new world vision upon the people, doesn't materialize. Rather, we see one who invites us into a new relationship with God and with one another. One who probes at our hearts and invites us to change the world around us. It's a powerful image, but very different than what had been set up for generation upon generation around what this one who is the branch that springs forth from the root of Jesse would look like. The question for us today is, what does it mean to look to this one who breaks into our lives to reshape and reform us? Are we still waiting for one who is going to come and rain down from on high? Or are we looking for one who will come and engage us in creating a new realm here and now, of both dreaming for but working for a new day here in this place and this time? That the children may actually be able to play over the adder's hole. That the lion, the goat, the lamb would lay and play together, or the bear and the fatling. Are we willing to be reframed in terms of how we look at ourselves and at the larger world, in creating a new vision? This afternoon at 3 o'clock, there is a chance for us to dream and to work for a new vision here in Minnesota. There is an event called Shining the Light, downtown Minneapolis at the Convention Center, that is calling people of faith, clergy, laity, to come together, to meet with a potential governor of our state, Mark Dayton, and his transition team, and to talk about what does it mean for economic justice? What does it mean to build up grassroots support in caring for those who have been, who have lost out in systems of injustice? Of dreaming toward a new day and working toward a new day in in which we in this state will care for all of our children. I invite you to think about whether you are able to attend. I know there's a lot going on. We have 2 concerts here with the Twin Cities Women's Choir. We've got confirmation this afternoon. Some of you already have holiday parties or family obligations. There's a lot going on. But are you willing to take 2 hours to think and work for what a new vision for our state could be? It is my sense that as we hear these words from Isaiah today, that we are brought into community in a new way, creating a vision that is going to defy all of our expectations. And that as we hear these words from John the Baptizer, who heralds a new day and calls us to pay attention to Jesus, that even there, our expectations, our dreams, and our visions are going to be defied as one breaks in, who proclaims God's realm, God's world among us, and starts little by little entering each of our hearts, changing our lives, perhaps with a story, a parable, a call to action, a new way of being. There is a beginning, a new day, the second Sunday.